welcome back to SMB Designs. Today I have a package. I have a Happy Mail from Miss Calicokate, Kathy Cowell, and I am so excited. I wanted to open it up with you online. I don't see my scissors. There we go. Let's just dig in. Oh my. She sent all kinds of goodies. Beautiful lace. Looks like she might have dyed that herself. It looks good. Oh, more of it. How fun. I love that in multicolored like that. That's awesome. Oh, doily. Coffee dyed doily, I think. And then it's the blue on the back. How cool. Very nice. This is fabric. I think this is some of her painty fabric. Oh, it is. It is. We can do lots with painty fabric. That's awesome. Thank you, Miss Kathy. I need a real bright thing in my life. Oh, here's a cool little envelope. That looks fancier than the ones I make. Oh my, it was full. Oh, how pretty. Black sari. I love that. Black is my second favorite color. Awesome. Thank you so much. That's really old. That's so pretty. It's been a long time since I've seen any like that. So pretty. I think my Grams had some that was similar. Ooh, look at this pretty lace. Very nice. Thank you so much. I'll probably say thank you so much through this whole thing because I don't really. Oh, look at that. Jen, I know you're jealous right now. So pretty. So dainty. Honeybun's already trying to get me to let her. Oh, nope, it's not Honeybun. It's the old man on my leg over here. Ooh, that's so sweet. Look at that lace. That is such a sweet little lace. Oh my. I love it. Oh, it's old stuff. 1973. It's an envelope. That's so cool. With the stamp and everything on it. What is this thing? Oh, I do not know. Oh, it's a sticky thing on the back of that. So this, oh, it's like a little sticky Velcro pouch envelope. That's so neat. We could make some of these, y'all. I love that. Look at this old photo. Got their horse and their dogs. Maybe a cat up there too. I don't know if I'm getting a good image. There we go. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, it has stuff on the back. Fleet, Mabel, and Kyril something. Wow, that's awesome. Oh, this looks like some of my old family photos right here. Very cool. I'm thinking that must have been the school class for that year. Awesome. Oh, how neat. Oh, mine, it's got goodies inside too. Pull them out. Look at this little file folder. That's really neat. I might have to scan that so I can reproduce that for myself. I love that. Ooh, decorative stitches on paper. It's It's kind of a thick paper, like a card. This one's a little bit thinner paper. Still beautiful. I have not thought about doing that and cutting them up like that, Miss Kathy. That's so smart. Look, I don't have any tea bags, and I wanted some. It's just beautiful. I hope that there's not too much of a glare and you guys are getting to see these things good. Oh, she made me some clusters. Did I pull that off of that? No. I think it's an ATC and a cluster. City, town. Never lose your sense of wonder. I like that. And wishes. Those are awesome. There's more. Lots of little cool clusters. Create. That'd be fun in my art journal. I can see that on a page. Love. I love these little dots. What did you do these little dots with? Is it like a puff paint or what? I like it. Looks like metal. Another cute cluster. I love all the grungy goodness. Ooh, another envelope. 1973. From Missouri. It has a stamp on the back too. That is so nice. I will certainly be using these. Oh, you're so funny. You know what? I have a bunch of these. I don't know how I ended up with them, but you'll have to tell me what you do with yours because I'm not real sure what to do with mine yet. So definitely let me know, Miss Kathy. I'd love to know. Ooh, another one of those cool envelopes. It's so pretty. I think this one's empty. I just want to make sure. Yeah. It's a really cool envelope. I like how sturdy that part is, that disc. That's really nice. Ooh, some vintage music paper. Ooh, I love that. I am trying to get some stuff together to make another freebie on my Ko-fi. So this will probably be part of that collage. It's very nice. Oh, you embossed on some too. Oh, and it's hymnal. I love hymnal. That's so pretty. I've got some wax that I just know is going to go great over those raised edges. Oh, how cool. Wow. This is so pretty. Look at that age. Can y'all see that age? Ah, it's so gorgeous. Oh, did you do your own eco dyeing? I've never done that. This is gorgeous. Wow. It really took to those leaves. That's impressive. Oh, that's so cool too. How do you choose? I don't know how I could choose that. I love them. You're going to have me going and picking flowers all summer. The smushing in books or no, I have to look up eco dyeing and try that because I love that. Ooh, this is some very old index cards. All patinaed already, naturally. All natural. That's so awesome. I know y'all can see that. I'm trying to help because I know the lighting's a little askew. Oh, look. That looks like from one of the books when I was little. Like a Dick and Jane book or something like that. That's so nice. Ah, here's another one. Two for 69 cents. It ain't been that way in a long time, has it? Oh. First Kate, Miss Calicokate, went to get a cake. Oh. That was a school session. They had such good illustration back then. It was just so lighthearted and whimsy. He looks like he's up to no good. Oh, it's a receipt from Graver and Robinson and Associates, Inc. 11/20 in 1979. That is wonderful. Oh, here's me another. That's an envelope with stuff. It's a CD holder card. I didn't have any of these. That's so pretty. I love. How are you getting your coffee that dark? To stain that dark on them. I got to really work at getting dark on mine. That's beautiful. I love that right in the middle, how it got that right on the inside in a spot. So pretty. Ooh, some salvages. I love salvages. With some stitching in it. Yeah. Joanne salvages. Organic cotton. Desert rose. Ooh, look at this one. This will go good in my little next journal coming up. All those cool spools of thread. Salvages are awesome. Y'all never throw them away, especially if they're cute, don't throw them away. If they got something on them. Oh, look at that stitch. You used a variegated thread in that one. That's beautiful. I love how it went straight out to like rainbow looking. Why is my light so janky? There we go. Ew. It's beautiful. Ooh. Did this come? This is an old quilt. It is machine stitched, but it sure does feel old. Well, that's pretty. You'll have to let me know the story behind these, because I see there's another one coming up. I want to know the story behind them. Very nice. That's the way they did all their quilts back in the day. They just patched any little pieces they had together and made it into a quilt because they needed something warm, and it didn't really matter what was inside it as long as it was warm. This one is machine stitched too. Very cool. I look forward to those stories, Miss Kathy. If you guys have not ever been to Miss Calicokate, Kathy Cowell's channel, you should go there and visit her. She is such a sweet person. She does a lot of fun stuff on her channel, and I will link her in the description box below so it makes it easy for you to find her. Thank you again, Miss Kathy. This was such a sweet surprise. I really enjoyed it. Thank you very much. Y'all have a great day. Bye.